Welcome to Water's Edge, the game with a catch. This 2 to 4 player game invites players aged 10 or older to visit Water's Edge, a tiny town tucked away on the edge of the seas. Unpack the game to reveal a beautiful set of cards illustrated by myself, a Scottish artist. Complete with a full colour manual, a quick play guide and a deck of awesome cards, your Kickstarter edition also includes 3 bonus cards which add to your gameplay. During the game, you spend a week in Water's Edge catching fish, preserving them in the icehouse and selling them to the townsfolk. The game is played over a series of days where one day consists of 6 rounds, 4 daytime and 2 nighttime. Drawing a card, players will either play a card from their hand, preserve fish or sell fish. The boats, buildings and icehouse all have different fish capacities, which brings the need for tactical gameplay as players decide how best to manage their town. Certain actions are restricted or changed depending on the time of day, so make sure to plan ahead as you enter nighttime. You'll find the possibilities expand as the week goes on, but make sure to keep watch for those disastrous storms, clumsy whales and cheeky seagulls. Fun for all the family, the game packs away into a neat little box until the next time you venture to Water's Edge. Water's Edge is definitely going to catch your attention. Support the Kickstarter project and enjoy the special Kickstarter edition, which comes in a signed Kickstarter box with 3 mystery bonus cards to add to your gameplay and a set of 6 exclusive Water's Edge art postcards. But don't stop there! Just look at all the amazing Water's Edge merchandise you can get if you pledge just a little more.